Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Oliver Clark, and I will be your course preceptor for the course Medical Terminology for Beginners. Medical terminology is the universal language of healthcare. From physicians and nurses to pharmacists, medical coders, and insurance billers, every healthcare professional relies on precise medical terms to communicate patient conditions, diagnoses, treatments, and procedures effectively. This course, Medical Terminology for Beginners, serves as an essential entry point into the vast world of healthcare communication. It is meticulously designed to introduce you to the structure, logic, pronunciation, spelling, and usage of medical terms in clinical and non-clinical settings. Expanded learning objectives. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify and explain the 4 essential components of medical terminology: prefixes, root words, suffixes, and combining vowels. Apply logic and analysis to decode unfamiliar medical terms by their word parts. Interpret, spell, and pronounce terms associated with human anatomy and body systems. Recognize medical vocabulary relevant to disease pathology, diagnostics, and pharmacology. Understand the use of standardized abbreviations, acronyms, and eponyms in medical records. Demonstrate competence in basic clinical communication, documentation, and chart reading. Differentiate between common medical errors in terminology and apply strategies to avoid them. Navigate and interpret electronic health records, EHRs, and coded medical language with greater ease. Target audience students preparing for healthcare-related fields, allied health trainees and caregivers, entry-level hospital clinic staff, medical transcriptionists and administrative assistants, health insurance and records personnel, international students preparing for study in health-related disciplines. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.